funded project. Tatlo po ang component. Hello? Tatlo po. Tatlo po ang components noong World Bank funded project. Yung component 1 po yan ay nasa DPWH. 32 pumping stations ang i-rehabilitate niya ng DPWH. At apat po yung gagawin na bago na pumping stations. Yung component 2 po ay nasa MMDA, which is clearing of solid waste sa mga waterways. Ang third component po niyan ay yung relocation ng mga informal settlers sa waterways. So yung pong activities or initiative ng San Miguel, wala pong magiging conflict doon po sa World Bank funded project. Kaya po, kami nagpo-coordinate para po siguro na wala rin po magiging conflict yung gagawin po organisatibo ng San Miguel, Minister naman doon po sa mga projects po na pinagdohan ng World Bank. Yung po sinasabi ni Sulong na po, hindi po siya part ng World Bank funded project. It's a GAA funded project.
Kasi sir, bahay tayo sa Maynila, di ba? And then, dun po sa World Bank project, meron din po mga pumping stations that are going to be or are being rehabilitated under the World Bank assisted projects. I'd like to ask about the status of all those pumping stations if they're already working, because ang report ko namin about 2025 from the World Bank is that 15 of the 34 have been completed. So, ano po malaman kung in your situation, totoo po ba yung at least in part of the network? And kanina.
But I cannot address something that I cannot see. No. As far as the city of Manila is concerned, with regard to existing pumping station under the management of MMDA, they are running. That is there are new, from what I see with the presentation made regarding compensation made by other national agencies of government that are not done, finished, but non-functioning, non-operational, ay talagang malaki. So, after the presentation, now I found out Manila is not unique anymore. Because yung mga nakita ko mga unnecessary pumping station presented is also present in the city. So, kaya talaga sumasamahin kami doon sa observation ng Presidente ng Luzon. Kasi kami mismo sa lupa, nakikita namin, paulit-ulit, and very specific, sunod ako. Sunod. The Filipino people, kasi galing na sa national government yung pondo, sa kaayo, tama po si Chairman, spent 774 million since 2018 and as we speak today. And 774 million on a creek halos creek-like size river. Hindi siya yung river the way we know it. It's not running. And for what I heard, they're about to infuse again 90+ million. So our question as Manilans site ng pumping station from one pumping station to another. When you look at the difference between the line from 40 to 50, less than 4 kilometers, less than 1 kilometer, nagre-run na. Tapos, may booster, pero wala naman yung pang-boost. Next, walang tubo. And we're burning money on unnecessary needs. So, yun nga, and yung isang agency ng government must always coordinate with the local government. Kasi kung hindi, ako may wala nakita, pero hindi ko gusto gumawa ng minister, hindi ko gusto gumawa ng ilog, hindi ko kalsada. Wala gusto pigilan na kasi ang may problema natin, ilog, luminipis, ilog, nababara, ilog, nilalan din ng facility, like pumping station, yun kinamagawa. And yet, ilog yung kalsada. That is something. May concern ba kami? As Manila, hindi naman sa Manila yun. Let me call your attention. All those water coming from the east, lahat ng discuss dito, na tubig, kami po sasalo sa Manila. Sa amin po uuwi lang kaya. Kaya the more progress in the east, Manila will suffer the biggest. Kaya dito po sa Santos. We're very happy today. Mr. Roman, the SNC will do something about this. And strengthen private money. And I can speak on behalf of my fellow mayors. I, on behalf of the city of Manila, pagkaya po nila, of course, sa aming nagpilihan. Welcome to Wales of Manila. Thank you very much. Even I saw it during my time, the first time in Tornado, in Pasig River, Mandala area. I was there. I saw what it. And I know that it will go so. It will help the national government. It will help the NDA, and particularly coming on